Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a haul video for you guys. I picked up a bunch of pattern paper pads from Butterfly Reflections Inc. along with a few other goodies, and I also have a couple things from the new Lawn Fawn release. So I'm going to set these off to the side and we'll go through them one by one. So the first thing that I got was these Nuvo Dream Drops. This is in the color Frosted Lake. And I have to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Nuvo drops just because I had a really bad experience with one of the first bottles I ever bought. It exploded all over my craft room. It went everywhere. I thought I got it all cleaned up, and it turned out that some of it had gone under my closet door where I missed, and it hardened there, and it is there to this day. And that was like, I don't know, 2 years ago. So I've been avoiding Nuvo drops ever since, but I don't know, everybody else is using them and seems to be okay. So I decided to give it one more try, and I really loved this color. And I thought it would be great for snow on Christmas cards. So I went ahead and picked that up, and I have high hopes. Let's just say that. The next thing I got was a stamp set from Trinity Stamps. It is the Bunny Burrow. I just thought this was so cute. This little house here looks like a hobbit hole, and I think I could make some fun cards with that theme as well. But then of course you've got all these super cute little critters, and I just love this hedgehog, the way that he's kind of like frolicking around. He looks so cute, and the raccoon, super cute. So I had to pick that up, and I got the matching dies as well. Then I got a fall pattern paper pad. This one is from Echo Park. It's called the Happy Fall, and it's got some traditional fall colors, plus it's got a little bit of that teal and aqua mixed in, which I thought was really fun. I love that for fall. It just adds a little bit of an unexpected pop on your cards. So I believe you get 2 of every sheet, and it's double-sided, which I very much prefer. To go along with that, I did pick up the enamel dots to match. I just thought that would be fun. I'm getting low on my stash of enamel dots, so I went ahead and grabbed these. I also got one more paper pad that wasn't holiday. It's the American Crafts. This one is called The Avenue by Jen Hatfield. I just thought this was so pretty, and I don't know, I have an idea for this. And it's not for a card, it's for something different, and I don't know yet. I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous about it. So I don't know, I may end up just saving this and using it on cards if I chicken out on the other idea, but I'm kind of hoping that I won't, because I want to create something a little bit different. And I don't know when I'll get around to it, but I don't know. It's just something that I've been really intrigued by lately. Alright, so all the paper pads after that are Christmas themed. So the first one is the Echo Park A Lumberjack Christmas by Lori Whitlock. I had previously had the Little Lumberjack paper pad, but that one was not for the holidays. It was just like baby boy themed or something like that. Anyway, so this one just has that red and black and white palette, and then it's got a few little pops of green and craft in there as well. I just thought that that was something a little bit more non-traditional, but still within, you know, the traditional realm, I guess. It's just a little bit unexpected. So I thought that would be fun to use on cards. And I got the enamel dots for that one as well. Those were the only 2 that I got enamel dots for. The next pattern paper pad is the one I'm most excited about. It's called Not a Creature Was Stirring by Photoplay, and I love this. I love the color palette. I just think the images are so dang cute, and I'm so excited about this one. So this one has a aqua and red and green and white and pink theme. And you've got like some little gingerbread men. I love that gorgeous plaid. Just really cute little strips that you could cut down and use on the card. I love that little mouse print. He's so cute. Some really usable snowflakes. You can always use those for a background on a card. Some cocoa in mugs. Just really, really gingerbread houses. Really, really usable prints. And then you get 2 of every sheet of that as well. So love, love, love that one. I got the Farmhouse Christmas, and this one is definitely more traditional. It's got some pretty poinsettias and some snowflakes and wreaths, some barns and stockings, Christmas trees. So this one's just more like basic that, you know, I might not do as much layering with this one, but just have kind of in the background behind a larger focal, what am I trying to say? A focal panel. Yes. I don't know. It's early in the morning. The last paper pad I got was the Simple Stories Jingle All the Way, which I actually just used on a card. Hold on one second. I used that on this card here, which was card number 1 in my holiday card series for 2020. I decided to start early this year. I just figured, you know, with everything going on, we might not be seeing as many people, and I might want to send out more Christmas cards. I also always feel very rushed around the holidays, and I don't really get to enjoy it. And if there's anything that this time has taught me, I have enjoyed a little bit of a slower pace, at least earlier on. It's definitely not slow anymore, but I don't want my holidays to be too hectic. So I went ahead and started my holiday card series early. This card is already up. This was also for the Mama Elephant Stampede for celebrating 8 years of their being in the crafty industry. I was so honored to be asked to join that. So this card is already up on my channel, so if you haven't had a chance to watch that, you can go ahead and do that. And I made that with this paper pad here. So this one is also kind of traditional, but it's got that little pop of aqua, and it's just super pretty. And I love that it's got some bolder patterns as well. It's got a good mix. I like a good mix. I don't want too many bold patterns, and I don't want too many small scale patterns. I like to have a really good mix in my paper pads. So this one is going to be perfect for that. And I also love that it is the exact right size for the slimline cards. This is the exact length of the paper pad, this insert here. So this works great for the slimline cards. So then I just got a couple things from the new Lawn Fawn release. I actually was hoping that my order would arrive in time for this video, but it says it's not coming till Saturday. But Lawn Fawn always sends the Lawn Fanatics design team just a couple little things to kind of tide us over and, you know, get us excited about the release. And they pick them out for us, and they hit the nail on the head, like spot on for me this time. So the first one that they sent me was the Let's Go Nuts, which you guys know how much I love squirrels. I am so freaking excited about this set. It is now my most favorite set of Lawn Fawn for all time, and I have already created a card with this. It will be up Monday on my channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yes, I absolutely love this. I was so happy when I opened my box and got this. I literally squealed out loud. They did send me the matching dies as well, so I was super, super happy to have everything I needed to play with that. The second set from the entire release that I was so excited about, they also sent me, which was the Den Sweet Den. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I love bears as well. You guys know I love polar bears, but I do love bears in general. And look, there's books. I just love this so, so much. So excited about this. So I am planning on making a card with this today. As soon as I finish filming this haul video, I have another Lawn Fawn video due. And so I'm going to be filming with this one for sure next. Can't wait for that. And I did get the matching dies as well. They also sent me 2 die sets. I got the Stitch Dens, which are going to be perfect. And I've already repackaged these just because I was repackaging a whole bunch of stuff and I just wanted to get my room cleaned up because I have so many projects on my plate right now. So I've already repackaged these, but anyway, I can't wait to use these. I'll probably use those today with the bears. And then I also got the acorn house, which is so cute. Just so genius. I love the way that the creators come up with their ideas. It's just adorable. This release was like tailored for me. I absolutely love it. And then they did send me also the Into the Woods Remix Pattern Paper Pad, which was awesome because you guys know how much I love pattern paper. And I always loved this one anyway in the past because of the birch trees and the wood grain. I just love the color mix in here, and I think it's an awesome paper pad. So if you haven't seen it yet, I'll just do a quick flip through. Love those birch trees. So it's really cute. It's not double-sided, which I don't think Lawn Fawn ever is, but they are very usable patterns in this particular case. Sometimes I have a hard time when, like I mentioned earlier, the patterns are all the same scale. It's not really easy to layer patterns that are the same scale because they just don't pop against each other. So I really like that this one is like a mix of prints and a mix of sizes of images on those prints. So this is a really good one. So that is all of my haul for today. I placed a huge Lawn Fawn order. Like I said, that is coming, but it won't be here till Saturday, so it wasn't going to be in time for this video, but I will have that one up soon, probably early next week. So anyway, that is my haul for today. Let me know which thing that you saw here that you are most excited about, and hopefully I can use that sooner rather than later. Also, let me know, have you guys started your Christmas cards this year? I'm just curious. I feel like there's a lot of people starting earlier this year, and I'm loving it because I'm loving all the inspiration that I'm seeing on social media. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.